everyone, I'm Elara from Yakify and I'm really excited to start with you this journey towards success. In this dropshipping course, we will see together how to build a store with Shopify, where to find the products to sell, and how to automate the entire fulfillment process. Then we will learn how to connect the most important art platforms and how to start promoting your business. And finally, how to analyze your results and scale your sales to create a 7-figure business. So let's start. Create a Shopify store. The first thing to do is to decide the name of your website and to build your store. In this course, we will take as an example a pet accessory store that we are going to name Puppy's Dream. Now that we have a name for our business, we need to create a store, and in this course, we decide to use Shopify. Of course, you can use also other platforms like WooCommerce or Magento. But we decide to use Shopify because it is the most common CMS used by dropshippers. It is the easiest to manage also without knowing anything about programming, and has already integrated inside all the things that you need. So head over to Shopify and register an account. You will have a 14-day trial and then you're going to pay a monthly subscription. After entering your email address, click on the Start Free Trial button and complete the registration with the name of your store. We're going to call it Puppy's Dream. General settings and legal settings. Now we're inside our Shopify dashboard where we'll be able to customize a store, upload our products and set up payments and shipping options. We will start with the technical issues that you need to resolve to make your store work. So click on the Settings tab. This page is really important because here you can edit the store details, store address, and other general settings. And you need to set up your taxes, store policies, payment methods before you start selling. We will not go through everything you see here in detail. Instead, we will focus only on the most important things that you must complete before you start selling. The general sections must be filled in with your account details such as store details, store address, standards and formats, and currency. Payments. This is really important. In fact, choosing the right payment gateway can be a little overwhelming when you're first starting out, but it is essential for running a digital business. To access the payment providers, click Payment Providers and you will see the options available to you. Perhaps one of the best is Stripe, since it supports all major cards. This payment gateway is very popular because it provides high-speed transfers, good support, and ensures that your customers do not get redirected to another website. In this way, your customers will pay right there on your store in just a few seconds. Now that we have a payment gateway, we need to go through the legal stuff. Different countries have different laws, and knowing which one applies to you is critical. You must stay informed to protect yourself and your business and complete the tax tab. Once you have done that, visit the legal tab. With a clear return and refund policy, customers feel more confident purchasing from the online store. And it also helps the store owner to easily handle these situations. You can use Shopify's free refund and return policy generator to give you a strong starting point. On the refund policy section, click Create from Template and get a pre-made version of the policy. Review the template and adjust it to meet your personal needs and then click Save. Once your policy is ready, link it to the main menu or footer navigation of your store so visitors can find it easily. To do this, click Online Store, click Navigation, choose where you want to link your policy. For example, footer menu. Click Add Menu Item and enter Return and Refund Policy. Click the link text box and select Policies. From here, choose Refund Policy and then click Add. Once you have done, click Save. Now you can repeat the same process with the privacy policy and terms and conditions of your store. Create a beautiful design. Now, believe it or not, we already have the structure of your store. All is left to do is to create a compelling design for our customers. So let's choose together a theme for our store. Shopify has got its own official theme store where you can find both free and premium themes that will allow you to modify the design of your website without having to touch a line of the code. To find a theme that suits your needs, go ahead and browse the theme store at themes.shopify.com. You can buy a premium theme, or like in our case, you can create your store with a free theme. My favorite free theme is Brooklyn. It works pretty well, it's fast loading, you've got a lot of different options for sections, and it's perfect for this kind of store. So now, click on View Demo and try the theme and click Add Theme. If you're not 100% sure if it is the right fit for you, don't worry, because you can always go back and change the theme later. Now that the template has been installed, Shopify will give you the option to go to your theme manager and manage edits to your theme. So click the store online, click on Edit Homepage and start to upload some beautiful pictures and title. In a few minutes, you already have built a basic store. Not bad, right? Now you only need to add the products that you are going to sell. So watch the next video to discover where to find and how to ship them to your customers. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like this lesson, please leave us a 5-star review.